Welcome back to Dana Ryan's Right Railway Show. Today we're at Emery Park and we're going over to the coach pitch field and we're gonna use my RC car and you're gonna destroy the field. Here we go.
Let's see if you can get it to go all the way across the dirt. Can you get it to go straight all the way?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Oh, you're turning it. Danny Ryan, can you make it spin?
Oh yeah.
There you go. How fast can it go?
That's how fast it can go on the dirt. Let's see how fast. Let's see how high it takes
All right, we're going back to the bleachers apparently. See what Daniel Ryan's got in mind. And we're about to break the new toy.
Never do this at home.
Why not?
But I'm about to.
Careful.
This thing to go fast. I can show you.
Yeah, see if it can get all the way down that?
Yeah.
All right.
Never try it at home. But look.
Never try that at home. All right, Danny Ryan, can you tell your viewers bye? What do you think of this toy?
Good.
5 stars?
Not leaving yet.
No, we're not leaving. We're just been with the video. What do you think? 5 stars?
I know. So I looked the video. I want to know. Guys, this is it. A little bag in this video. About to make this go down a slide. Voila! This is stuck. This is stuck.
What are you running at?
Oh God. Yeah, I got it.
All right, here we go. Whoa!
It's man. This car is never on use. My new car. Where does it have to be? Is that a picture or not? No. You're doing a video?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the car. slide, only the straight slide.
Okay, let's head back to the playground then.
Let's do that one more time.
Okay.
But you are trying to do it.
No, you can do it. You're the best at this.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna back up this time. Why don't you try letting it go down the hill?
To go up a slide. Let's try a different slide.
Ah!
Let's make it climb it. Does it have to be a mountain to climb? Good climb.
It's doing burnouts.
Oh, I have to slow down with this.
Did it just chase you down the slide?
You're gonna watch it go. Is this supposed to be a mountain climber? Don't worry about these. You're supposed to be a mountain climber.
I don't think that's gonna work, buddy. I like the effort though.
I almost made it. No. Oh, not turned on. It's playing the car. What's up, Johnny?
Okay, Daniel Ryan, what's your review on this? What do you think about this new toy?
5,000 stars.
It was worth it?
Yes.
Where'd you get it from?
Walmart.
Should we get another one?
Yes, but the blue one.
But the blue one. All right. Who got it for you?
My mama with my daddy's credit card.
All right.
Yeah, I know.
We'll see you next time, everybody.
And don't call me dumb.